Okay, so let's have this problem. So find the values of the other trigonometric functions of theta if cotangent theta is equal to -4/3 and sine theta is less than 0. So from this given, we have cotangent theta, and cotangent theta is equal to x/y. Then from the given, equals -4/3. So therefore, we have now the value for x and the value for y. But since 4/3 is negative, so therefore, one of these variable is negative and one is positive. Then to find what variable is negative using these different functions in quadrant, so in quadrant 1, all positive. In quadrant 2, only sine and cosecant positive. In quadrant 3, only tangent and cotangent positive. And in quadrant 4, only cosine and cosecant positive. Then from this given, since sine is less than 0, so therefore sine is negative. And for this quadrant, sine is negative in quadrant 3 and in quadrant 4, because in quadrant 1 all positive and in quadrant 2 sine is positive, so theta is either in quadrant 3 or in quadrant 4. Then from this given, since cotangent is negative and cotangent is negative in quadrant 4, so therefore theta is in quadrant 4. Because in quadrant 3, cotangent is positive. So in quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. So from this given, x is positive 4 and y is -3. Then to solve for r, so using the Pythagorean theorem, that r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Then we have r squared equals x, that's 4 to the power 2, then plus 4y, that's -3 to the power 2. Then simplify, so r squared equals 4 to the power 2, that's 16. Then plus this -3 to the power 2, that's +9. Then we have r squared equals 16 plus 9, that's 25. Then to solve for r, take the square root. So r equals the square root of 25, that's 5. Since r is always positive, so r is equal to +5. So we have now the values for x, for y, and for r. So we can find now the other trigonometric functions. So using this formula, so again, x is equal to 4, y is -3, and r is +5. So to find now for sine theta, and sine theta is y over r. So y is -3, then over r is 5. So sine theta is -3 over 5. Then for cosine theta, so that's x over r. So x is 4 over r is 5. So cosine theta is 4 over 5. Then for tangent theta, that's y over x. So y is -3 and x is +4. So tangent theta is -3 over 4. Since we have cotangent, so let's have this secant theta. That's r over x. So r is 5 and x is 4. So secant theta is 5 over 4. Then the last one, the cosecant theta, that's r over y. So r is 5, y is negative 3, or negative 5 over 3. So these are the other trigonometric functions of theta if cotangent theta is equal to negative 4 over 3 and sine is negative.